What's up everybody, it's your boy MKBHD back again with another tech review. Today we're diving deep into the world of Google's latest flagship, the Pixel 9 Pro. The Pixel line has always been synonymous with incredible camera performance and clean software, and this year is no different. Google continues to refine its formula, pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can be. The Pixel 9 Pro is a statement piece from Google, showcasing the company's commitment to delivering a premium user experience. From its sleek design to its powerful internals, this phone demands attention. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down and find out. The Pixel 9 Pro exudes a sense of sophistication with its sleek design and premium build quality. It features a polished aluminum frame that feels incredibly solid in the hand. The back panel is made of smooth, frosted glass that not only looks stunning but also helps to resist fingerprints. One notable design element is the camera bar, which now spans the entire width of the phone. While some may find it polarizing, it adds a unique visual flair and houses some of the most advanced camera technology available. The phone feels incredibly well balanced in the hand, and the weight distribution is excellent. The Pixel 9 Pro boasts a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This combination delivers an incredibly smooth and responsive experience. Whether you're scrolling through social media feeds or playing graphically demanding games, colors are vibrant and punchy while blacks are deep and inky thanks to the AMOLED technology. The display also gets incredibly bright, making it easy to use outdoors even under direct sunlight. HDR content looks absolutely stunning on this screen, with a wide dynamic range that brings out the details in both the highlights and shadows. Whether you're watching movies or browsing photos, the Pixel 9 Pro's display is a treat for the eyes. Section 4. Camera Capturing Moments, Redefining Photography. The Pixel line has always been known for its exceptional camera performance, and the Pixel 9 Pro takes it to a whole new level. It features a triple camera system, headlined by a 50-megapixel primary sensor. This sensor captures an incredible amount of detail, producing images with excellent dynamic range and sharpness. The ultra-wide camera also sees a significant upgrade, now boasting a wider field of view and improved image quality. The telephoto lens offers excellent zoom capabilities, allowing you to get closer to the action without sacrificing detail. Google's computational photography prowess is on full display here, with features like magic eraser and real tone further enhancing the camera experience. Section 5. Performance and software power and intelligence combined. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro is powered by the latest and greatest Qualcomm processor, ensuring blazing fast performance and seamless multitasking. Apps launch instantly, games run smoothly, and the phone handles even the most demanding tasks with ease. The Pixel 9 Pro also comes with Google's latest software, Android 14, which offers a clean, intuitive, and highly customizable user experience. One of the standout features of Pixel phones is their integration with Google Assistant, which is even more intelligent and helpful on the Pixel 9 Pro. From providing personalized recommendations to controlling your smart home devices, Google Assistant is your digital companion that's always there to lend a helping hand. Battery life on the Pixel 9 Pro is impressive, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. Section 6. Conclusion. The Pixel 9 Pro, a top contender in 2024. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is a true flagship smartphone that excels in almost every area. From its stunning design and exceptional camera to its powerful performance and intuitive software, this phone is a testament to Google's commitment to innovation. If you're looking for a premium smartphone experience, the Pixel 9 Pro should be at the top of your list. So, what are your thoughts on the Google Pixel 9 Pro? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, comparisons, and everything in between. Peace out.